Hey, I want to give you guys this pop-up text animation right here, and we're gonna go through the installation process and some of the parameters that you guys can customize. But before that, I just want to thank you guys and express my gratitude for 2,000 subscribers. Yeah, you guys did that, so thank you. I don't do YouTube full-time. I got a lot of different things that I'm doing, so to see the slow but steady growth on this platform, it's pretty cool. And to be honest with you guys, I don't always check my videos after I post them, unless maybe to answer comments. I don't check the number of views, the number of subs, or the velocity of the video. I don't want to be obsessed with the analytics of my videos because I always want to stay true to the reason why I am doing this. And the purpose behind this channel has always been just trying to help someone out there. All of that just to say thank you. Thank you for your support because it encourages me to create more content and find ways, different ways to bring value to you. Thank you. Now let's go back to the text animation. Click on the download link in the description, and once you've downloaded the file, right-click on it and copy it. Then go to Movies, Motion Templates, Title, then right-click and paste. That should do it. Now go back to Final Cut Pro and you should see it in your title and generators sidebar. There are more ways to install your presets and plugins in this video right here if you need more. But for now, let's go back to Final Cut Pro. And I'm gonna add the title to my timeline by pressing Q, and that will bring it right on top of my clip. Let's go to the right side to see the title inspector and look at the parameters that you can customize. First things you will see here are all about the entire title animation. So you can choose to have it animated in or animated out. Maybe I should have added motion blur as a choice here, but the animation still looks good and it's free, so you can always change the position of the whole title with these parameters. You can add a picture of someone, something, or even a logo in the drop zone if you are going to use this as a lower third or a text message animation maybe. You are the creative, so go ahead and do whatever suits you or the project you are working on. All these parameters down here are controlling the drop zone. As an example, pan is to adjust the position of the asset inside of the drop zone. Curvature is pretty cool because I added a mask that allows you to add or take away the curve of this shape. I didn't put any limiting mask at all for the positions on this project, so you can move the drop zone anywhere on your screen. If you want it on the left side, you can just move it with no restriction. If you want to put it at the end of the text box, you can do that too. You can also do the same thing with all the text in this project, no restrictions. You can customize the background of this text after this rotation parameter right here. Change the color or play around with the scale parameters, rotation, and go down the list and just have fun with it. Thanks again, guys. That's all I have for today. But hey, if you got any value from this one, press the like button and check out these other videos for Final Cut Pro users. And I will see you in the next one. Hopefully. Peace.